Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today in this video I will show you this bleaching pack to remove dark underarms quickly. Also I will show you natural underarms spray. It will help to lighten your underarms and will help you to get smell free soft armpit. Without delay, let's start the video. Let's see how to make this bleaching pack. Add 1 tablespoon of green gram, 1 tablespoon of amla powder. Now add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well until you get thick paste like this. Let's see how to apply. Before going to apply, shave your underarms properly. After shaving, apply this bleaching pack on your armpits. Wait for 10 minutes and wash it off with normal water. You can see instant brighten on your armpits. Let's see how to make underarms lightening and smell out spray. Add 1 tablespoon of green gram, half tablespoon of wild turmeric powder. Add water and mix well. Squeeze the water and put it into the spray bottle. Spray this mixture after apply above bleaching pack. This will help to keep lightening and bad smell free armpits for a long period. If you do this regular, your underarms will be super soft, whitening and smell free. I suggest you to do this at least twice a week. You can do this regularly because it's chemical free and no harm to your skin. Hope you get something knowledge from this video. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.